Hi YouTube. Today I've got a great utility knife for you. This isn't any utility knife, this is the Milwaukee Fastback Compact. Now as you can see, it's not new, so I'd like to do a 2-year review. I'd like to say it was my knife, and unfortunately it's not. I borrowed it from my son. He's put it to 2 years hard labour. So let's do the review. This is 2 years old. You can see it's taken quite a battering. It's still available. You can find it on Amazon and at a lot of wholesalers as well. The size, when closed, it's about 100 millimeters or 4 inches. When open, it's 150 millimeters or about 6 inches. That's without the blade, so up to here. The weight, it's about 100 grams with the blade, which is about 3.5 ounces. So not a bad weight at all. Let's have a look at some of the blades. So in this example, I've got the 60 millimeter blade. I don't know if you can see this. I tend to use the Stanley blades. They're available in the UK, and in this case, that is the 1992 blade. It's really easy to fit it. There's just a button. It locks in well. I'm not sure how well that would work with gloves on, but it works well. It's really firm, really solid in there. Let's have a look at one of the smaller blades. So this is equivalent to the 1991. It's a slightly smaller blade. You can see it doesn't come up as well. It fits, but I have to say it's not as solid. There's a bit more give in it. So this certainly works better with the longer blades. And what about the curved blades, you might ask? So let's try it with that. And there we are. That fits pretty well. Easy to change. So I would say that the 60 millimeter blade fits best. Next, the curved one and the 50 millimeter not quite so well. There's a little bit more give. It's still solid. I don't think it's going to give out on you, but it doesn't fit quite so well. So let's put the big blade back in. So just press on the button, push it till it clicks, and there it is. It's pretty solid. Looking around the knife, you can see the button lock, which enables you to flick it out. I think that's one of the things that everybody likes about the Fastback. It comes out really quick, but it does lock when it's in your pocket as well. I showed you the blade change button, which is underneath this. I showed you the blade button. The blade change button was used underneath this protrusion here, which stops you activating it by accident. It also has a deep pocket carry clip, which is removable as well if you don't want to have it. Let's see how it gets on at opening a box. I don't know if you saw my previous video, but this is my rather battered test box that I used. You can see if you need to use it, you just press the button, flick it out. It's really easy to use, no problem. You don't need to worry about gumming up your good pocket knife, and it just goes away again straight as well. Looking at the grip on this, you can see there's a really good grip. Somewhere for your forefinger there, still 3 fingers left. Your thumb, there's a little bit of sort of jimping on here where your thumb goes. If you really need to put more pressure on, you can move it up and even get a closer grip and really push down on your thumb. Obviously for opening boxes, you don't need that. But if you were cutting carpet or maybe drywall, you'd really need to push on that, and you can really get a good grip. So really feels good in the hand, nice action. 2 years on, this is working as good as new. It looks a bit battered, but it's still working great. I'd love to get one of these. I think it's on my list of things to get. I'd also like to try out the Milwaukee 6-in-1 with the bit driver as well. So look out for that in one of my future videos. I hope you like the look of this 2-year review of this real workhorse. Let me know what you think in the comments. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. And if you click on the notification bell, you will know when the next video comes out.